Welcome to Altria Decor. In this episode, we dive into minimalist home decor, blending traditional and modern styles. Perfect for design enthusiasts and homeowners alike, our concept images maybe will guide you in creating a harmonious and stylish space. We start in the living room, where minimalist design meets classic elegance. Picture a modern, sleek sofa paired with a vintage wooden coffee table. The contrast of old and new creates a stunning focal point. Moving to the dining area, imagine a traditional hardwood dining table set against the backdrop of a clean, white, minimalist wall. The addition of modern chairs and a contemporary light fixture brings a unique twist. In the bedroom, we blend a modern, low-profile bed frame with rich, traditional linens and a classic, ornate headboard. This combination offers both comfort and style. Our next scene is the kitchen, where functionality meets history. Stainless steel appliances and sleek cabinetry are accentuated by a classic patterned backsplash, marrying the best of both worlds. In the bathroom, envision a minimalistic layout with a traditional freestanding bathtub as the centerpiece. The simplicity of the modern fixtures complements the bathtub's classic design. A minimalist console table, adorned with a traditional, ornate mirror above, creates an inviting and elegant entry point. Lastly, in our outdoor space, imagine a clean, modern deck design softened by traditional, lush garden elements and classic outdoor furniture. As we conclude our journey through mixing traditional and modern styles in minimalist home decor, remember, the key is balance. By blending the old with the new, you can create a space that's both timeless and contemporary. Thank you for joining me today.